This is going to be a short video. What I did in this video, okay, see, I went up to the end, I went down to the end. This is my multiplication. Each one of these boxes will have a number. I went all the way to 9. I did not go to 10. Should I have gone to 10? I'll have to do another answer. If I go to 10, I cannot go any higher than 7, irregardless. If I go to 10 all the way out here and this shifts, this will be into this range. So if I put it into this range, what is that range equal to? Is that on the line range? Do I need an area of space? So let's, so if you notice, this becomes a 3. This becomes individual. They're all connected. These are connected. You see the way the yod in Hebrew, yod, and then there's an extra separation over here. And now, I mean, I don't want to do it with the same pen, but I'm going to do this over here. Now over here, I didn't finish it. See the way the 16 is on one end, the 49 is at the other end. The total is 65, 6 and 5, 11. It creates 41. 41 will end up over here. And then it'll be the continuation of math. But anyways, I'll explain that up. Well, anyways, 49 and 16 is 55. And because it's 55, but hold on a second. It's not, no, I did it wrong. It's 36 and 16, 52. 52 and 25, 77. That's what gets the center. So now when I finish, in fact, maybe I'll black out the entire outside. So this piece of art comes from these set of numbers, counting 1 through 9. I can change them. I can multiply them. I can change them to a single digit. What I can also do with them is I can 2 times 2, 2 plus 2, right? Should I have started here? 2 times 2, 2 plus 2. See, here's my answer. 2 times 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So this one would now be 8. So it's another mathematical equation. Okay, so now what happens if I darkened everything in? Because do we need the numbers? Let me photocopy it and then I'll come. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. So here I'm going to do something a little bit different. Right? Here I'm going to do something a little bit different. And here's the outside of it. Now I can color code it odd, even. I can create the star system math within it. There's a lot of things you can do. And all this information, all these things that I do, they're already out there. In games, you know, in Scrabble, the way it works. You play baseball, and you don't think there's anything that's marked up there. Only the guy who gets the RBI gets the RBI. The RBI consists of bringing yourself across the plate, meaning it's a run scored. So there's all kinds of formations for words. 4 balls, 3 strikes. Can happen, never happens, never will happen all at the same time. To the same batter, that is. You see, you got to be specific to the same batter. Now, if you're talking about a batter, you're talking about a mix. You're going to have a mixed up pitch, but we're serving the batter in the kitchen. Serving the batter in the kitchen, what are you serving them? We're serving them a curveball. Could be a strike. A ball can just be a ball. How can a ball be a strike when a ball is a strike? When you strike something, it's a ball, having a ball. So this is what it designs, and if you notice, it's a star, right? Now, I should, oh no, wait a second. Wait a second, was I allowed to do that? Oh yes, I went into the 9th area. Right, correct. I went into the 9th area over here, and I went into the 3rd area over here. See the way I have this over here? See the way this is all designed? Let me see if I can, you see, oh yes, right, because some of these are one color and some are the other. So we're going to give the color back to what it was. We're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to make it a little bit darker this time. We're going to go with well, what am I doing? I'm going in a straight line. And remember, I can turn these squares, right? I can turn these squares. And what can I turn the squares into? I can turn the squares into not triangles, but I can turn them on a 45-degree angle. And okay, so now why did I leave out the empty space and not the empty space here when I left it out there? I should have left the empty space out here too, right? So that would be wrong. And we need this area here, okay? So we're gonna complete that area with a color. We need a color that's, okay, we're gonna use this color. I think this color. I'm gonna fill it out with green. Okay, so we colored. Let me see if I got this right. Oh, this one is wrong. Oh no, hold on a second. We're going through here. Hold on a second. Let me just see something. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. Now, why am I using the complete path? Why wouldn't I not put that color? What color would go here? That's for sure the green color. But why can't I put a blue here? Put a blue here and put a green here. Okay, and that one, and when they're coming down here, put a blue here, put a green here. So that's another way to do it. So these areas, this one and this one, okay, let me mark them off. Let me mark them off with something here. Let me mark them off here. And then we're going to mark it off here. And here. But, okay, that's going this way. This is going that way. Why did okay, so these two are knocked off, and these two are knocked off. But then this one is also in the line over here. And this one's also in the line over here. See if I got this right. I go to here, I got to keep it away from this area. Nobody gets it. And then over here, nobody gets it, nobody gets it. Then over here, nobody gets it. So we can look at it that way. So what's happening? Is it an underpass? What's actually happening? This is the Star of David at the end. So at the same time, like I said, I can put this one, I can stick as blue, right? And then, well, you see that? It's not even stained, so. And then, anyways, that's the Star of David. Um, Now at the end, what's left over is this area over here, right? Is this area over here? Let me use this. Let me write it down. It's 20, 24, 20, 25, 30, 24, and 30. So we have 20, 20, we have 30, 30, and then we have 48 with 25 in between. What is this? What did I just do? If you're not following, I'll explain it to you. Sorry if I went too fast. All this is here is a multiplication. Pick any number. You want to pick number 6 and 6. You come down to 6 and 6. It becomes over here. 36 goes right over here. If you want to go 4 and 2, 4 by 2 is 8. It's multiplication. It's 9 times 9 is 81. 81 goes over here. We can do it in addition also. So this is what it's going to tell me. So if I want to continue, right, I don't know what's going to go here and here, and that's where I use I take one like that, and I do one like that over here. And that's like a heart shape, if you notice. And then I'll do another heart shape over here. Now I'm going to box it in just so we can see what's going on. So we have to box it in out here. So you want to box it in fully? Let's box it in fully. Now if I take that corner of what just happened, it looks like this. Like the letter P. And then we have this. We can also come one forward, right? But this one would be in the center, so I shouldn't really go there. This one I could go, but that one would be the center. So now we're going to do the other side. I'm not gonna go too deep into this design. I'm just going to show you. So I'm showing you all the empty space, and then it leaves one blank space. When you pull this out, this is what the beta gate is all about, the 7th gate. This is the way it comes together. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a total of 25 areas where we're going to use 3, 1, 3 areas. 25 on the outside, 3, 1, 3, 7 on the inside. There's mathematics. It relates to a lot of things. 31 and 13. Hold on a second. 31, 13, and 31. 13 and 31 and 13 equals to 57 equals to 75. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 4 equals to 7 equals to 3. This one equals to 4. 57, 75. Electric Heinz moon. What does the word Heinz do? It creates the I as well as the H. But if you draw them over each other, it'll create a window. A window has one division. Area 25, area 51, Earth and Mars is numeric value 51. The reverse of Mars is Heinz 57, which is the 12th and 13th card, equaling to 25, which is the Queen, 62, and the King home. And then you have to think of home run equals 39, 49, 53. Electric company, we hit a home run. 41 is the value. The word Heinz will create this. Now, it'll also create with the N and the Z, it'll create this. This is what Heinz creates. I think we were missing the whole thing. The king and the queen are the 13th and the 12th card in the deck. When you add up 1 to 12, it equals to 78. When you add up 1 to 13, it equals to 91. I'm not going to get into the whole thing right now. If you want to know more, ask. I mean, it is time to tell you that if you go and you look up fill-in roulette, you're going to see a 5 area space equaling to that. The average is 15 by 5. You're going to see a 3 area space like that. It's going to be 3 by 19. 3 areas by 19 average. The total is 15 and 19 OS, like in your computer, equaling to 34 or 61. The church, the spirit, the half-life, and so on and so forth. Peace and love. Speak a little later. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus.